Hello everybody. So right now I'm taking a walk down here at the park. And I've never brought you guys down here. I did make a video once coming down here at night, but it got dark a lot quicker than I had anticipated, and so you couldn't really see much. But like always, I'm carrying a garbage bag, and let me show you guys what it looks like right now. You can just now hear the cicadas. There's a lot of, I love coming down here. It's really weird to think how long I've actually lived in this town. I've lived here for almost 15 years. No, it's longer than that. Let's see. Yeah, it's about 15. I moved down here in 2007. I was 18 years old. And it's just weird to think how many different lives I've lived just in this town alone. How many different groups of friends I've had, the different places I've been to, and, you know, I don't know, it's just all so strange to think about. Now it's just me by my lonesome. But let me show you guys what the sunset is looking like. So behind me is facing east. That's facing east. This is facing west. Look at all of the Queen Anne's lace. Look, it's not even bloomed out yet. They're just now opening up. Isn't that so pretty? There's some fleabane. So there is some more. This is the local baseball fields. Looks like I'm actually the only person down here right now. And this, I'm just gonna do like I did last time and do a quick walk around loop. But man, look at the sunset. So let's go walk to this little area. And today is, let's see, today's the 30th. Which means weed is legal in just a few days. I wonder if they've cut, yeah, it looks like they've cut back the grass. The water is very calm, so let me show you. Very calm waters right now. Look how much this water has eroded this bank. It did not look like this a couple years ago. Ooh, the lightning bugs are starting, you guys. We get a treat down here by the water where they'll be super active. I know it's kind of hard to see them on camera. Oh, look, the creek is super low. Look at all the trees and stuff in the creek. Here's a mimosa tree. You can tell by the closing leaves at night. One of these grew self-seeded in my garden, actually. That's so cool. And then in the springtime, I think it's midsummer, late summer, they get these really poofy pink flowers on them. It looks so different compared to the fall or the spring and the winter and everything, because none of this is all grown up, obviously, and it looks just so bare. You can see straight into, oh, I love this tree. This is my favorite tree. Look how dark it is under there. And see, you can see some lightning bugs. Oh, look, you can get down there. Look how low the creek is. Ooh, look, see back in here the woods. Creek is very low because we have not been having lots of rain recently. Usually we're like super wet. We get lots of rain. But recently, you guys, we have just been not getting any rain at all. And if it is, it's just like a day or so. Which compared to the usual, what we get, you know, because we are in a temperate area. This is, the area I live is known as a temperate rainforest, which means it rains more days out of the year than anything else. Hold on, let me pick up this trash right here. Look at these beautiful grasses. Oh, look, we can get down here in the water. See if we can find any hagstones. If you hear that buzzing noise, that's a light behind me. So I'm going to be super careful. Oh, look at that. So I'm right here in the creek. See if I could find any stones. Well, there's some nasty water bugs. Ew. It's that freaking light is so noisy. So you can see I live up on that hill, or that mountain. See the sky. I'm hearing some weird noises. It's a weird noise. Oh, it's me. So, up here on the berm, let me show you. Oh. Looks like they haven't mown or weed eaten up here at all. See if you can see the lightning bugs back in there. Okay, I gotta hurry and get out of the park because they don't allow anyone to be down here at nighttime, which sucks because it's like, why don't you just give people the freedom to do whatever the hell they want? Okay, let's get off that berm. It's starting to get dark now. But I've been having a super good day. I have been just hanging out by myself, doing some gardening. I have been doing more arts and crafts lately, getting back into that, making more things. I stopped for a little while. I was getting depressed for a little bit. Hold on, let me get away from these dogs. Okay, now you can see I'm on the other side of the park. A lot darker over here because we're under a lot more trees. I'm only going to walk to the little edge and then I'm going to cross and then get out of the park because I don't want to get the cops called on me. But today I got delivered a few plants at the house. I got a black lace elderberry. I got a Empress Wu hosta. And oh my god, look how dark it is back in there. Look at this, you guys. Do you see how dark it is back in there? Ooh, creepy. An Empress Wu hosta, and then I got a pink flowering quince. Because I've been seeing quince, the trees here in the spring, the quince bushes, they're only very few people have them here in where I live. And they're really, really pretty. So I've been wanting one, and I couldn't find one here at a local shop, so I had to find one online, and I got one of those. So beautiful. I just found some sycamore bark. It's all over the ground. All right, guys, I am going to get out of the park real quick and then be right back. Okay, back out of there. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's walk, and yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.